Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Here is Yashoda, and this is the second video of Power BI installation. In my previous video, I introduced the Power BI, what is Power BI, why we use it. So please go and watch my video. The link is description below. Open the Microsoft Store and wait for it. Search your Power BI desktop. So in my machine, Power BI is already downloaded, so that's why it's showing open option. But in your system, it will show install option. Just click on install, agree with all pop-ups from the installation, and Power BI will be installed in your machine. So just open it. When we successfully install the Power BI, you will got this kind of window in your Power BI desktop. So this is the blank report. From here, you can create a new report. Until take care. Bye-bye.